Welcome back, gods, demigods, and friendly monsters. I'm going to be doing Chapter 9, Percy Jackson, the Olympians, Lightning Thief, Chapter 9, Part 3. Where? Cameron looks surprised. I thought that would be obvious. I thought that would be obvious enough. The entrance to the underworld is in Los Angeles, I said. Oh, I said, naturally. So we just get on a plane. No, Grover Street. Percy, what are you thinking? Have you ever been on a plane in your life? I shook my head, feeling embarrassed. My mom never taken me anywhere on a plane. She'd always said we didn't have the money. Besides, her parents had died in a plane crash. Percy, think. You are the son of the sea god. Your father's bitterest rival is Zeus, lord of the sky. Your mother would know better. Your mother knew better than to trust you in an airplane. You would be in Zeus's domain. You would never come down alive. Overhead, lightning crackled, thunder boomed. Okay, I said, determined not to look at the storm, so I'll travel overland. That's right, Cameron said. 2 companions may accompany you. Grover is one, the other has already volunteered, if you will accept her help. Gee, I said, feigning surprise. Who else would be stupid enough to volunteer for a quest like this? The air shimmered behind Chiron, and Elizabeth became visible, stuffing her Yankees cap in her back pocket. I've been waiting a long time for a quest, she said. Athena is no fan of Poseidon, but if you're going to save the world, I'm the best person to keep you from messing up. If you do say so yourself. I suppose you have a plan, wise girl? Her cheeks colored. Do you want my help or not? The truth was, I did. I needed all the help I could get. True, I said. That'll work. Excellent, Karen said. This afternoon we can take you as far as the bus terminal in Manhattan. After that, you are on your own. Lightning flashed. Rain poured down on the meadows that we were never supposed to have. Rain poured down on the meadows that were never supposed to have violent weather. No time to waste, Chiron said. I think you should all get packing. Anyway, like I said, in the last video, this was probably going to be a short video, so I'm going to stop it here to not make any disorder, but I will give you 1 page as like a preview. I'll also be doing this in the next video, but I will. Chapter 10. I ruined a perfectly good bus. Just a little bit. It didn't take me long to pack. I decided to leave the miniature horn in my cabin, which left me only an extra change of clothes and a toothbrush to stuff in a backpack Grover had found for me. Okay, that's not much of a sneak peek, but hey, I have to make this sort of a good video. Okay, now let's get working. Here we go. I know I'm still recording. Just getting ready to upload my video. Okay.